So, hello, student. My name is Almi, or you can call me Teacher Al. What is your name? Anna. What a lovely name, Anna. Okay, Anna, how are you? Are you happy or sad? Happy. Okay, Anna, can you say, I am happy? Hmm? Good job, Anna. Okay, so Anna, how old are you? Are you one, two, three, four, or five? 4 years old. Okay, Anna, can you say, I am 4 years old? Okay, Anna, good job. Now, okay, so let's read. My name is Teacher Almi. I am 32 years old and I like grapes. Okay, Anna, it's your turn. Okay, kids, my name is Anna. Okay, Anna, I am 4 years old. Anna, I am 4 years old. Okay, and I like orange. Okay, okay, again, Anna, I like orange. Okay, good job, Anna. You have 1 star. Great job. Okay, let's go. So, Anna, let's learn. Okay, today, so we will learn. Okay. hmm Did you see, Anna? Did you um part of your face? Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's say the word I. Okay. So it is I. So where's your eye, Anna? Hmm. I. Can I see? Okay, good job, Anna. Nice. Okay, yeah. So that is I. Okay, so the next is ear. Where is your ear? Okay, Anna, good job. Can you say ear? Ear. Okay, good job. Now, third is lip. Lip. Oh, yeah, so this is lip. Okay, good job. Now, nose. Nose. Good job. Okay, so this is nose. Okay, Anna. Excellent. You have another reward. Okay, so let's go to another slides. Okay, Anna. So let's look. Let's look and say this. Okay. So number one. Okay, so number one. This is hmm, it's ear. Okay, Anna. Good job. It's ear. Okay. How about number two? Hmm. It's eye. Okay, Anna. It's eye. Good job. Okay. So number three it is nose. Okay. Good job, Anna. It's nose. Good job. And last, this is lip. Yeah, it is lip. Okay, good job. Good job, Anna. You have another song. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let's go to. Hmm. So let's listen and point. Okay, so ear. So let's point ear. Okay, Anna, can you point ear? Can you point your ear? Okay, so ear. How about Anna, your eye? Okay, can you point your eye? Oh, okay, Anna, good job. This is the eye. Okay, Anna. How about nose? Can you point the nose, Anna? Okay, good job, Anna. This is nose. Okay, so about mm, the lip. Okay, Anna, can you point the lip? Lip. Okay, good job. Okay, nice. Very good, Anna. Yep. Another word. Very good. Okay, and now let's go to hmm, let's learn and repeat. Okay, big N. You say big N. So this is big N. Can you say big N? Okay, good job. Okay. So now there is small N. Small N. So there is a big N and small N. Again, small N. Okay, very good. Good job, Anna. Now let's go to. Hmm. So you see a letter N. Yes, good job. Big N. Okay, so it's big N and small N. Okay. Mhm. Good job, Anna. How about this? And very good. So N is for nose. Nose. Hey, can you say it again? Nose. S- Nose. Okay, Anna. Can you say it again? Nose. Hmm? Can you point your nose? Very good, Anna. You have a bear. Hello, Anna. I have a nose. This is my nose. Okay, Anna. Again. Hmm. Anna. So let's listen and circle. Okay. So big N. Can you circle the big N? Hmm. So, uh, okay, big N. Can you circle the big N? Oh, okay. So here it is. Very good, Anna. You have another star. Okay, very good, Anna. Now let's go to it's small N. Can you circle the small N? Okay, Anna. Small N. Here it is. Okay, good job, Anna. You have the correct answer. You have another smiling star. Very good. Okay, so let's go. And so let's listen and choose. So choose it. N is for nose. Okay, can you choose? Can you circle the nose, Anna? N is for nose. Okay, Anna. So circle. Okay. Very good, Anna. Okay, so N is for nose. Okay, good job, Anna. Okay, Anna, since we already reached to end our class, so we need to say goodbye and see you next time. So let's sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye to you and you and you. Goodbye, goodbye. May God bless you. Bye, Anna. See you next time.